Hi guys, this is Obisaga. So in this video we will still talking about Octafx. So in this video I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about Octafx copy trading. A lot of people are asking how can I use Octafx copy trading. So in this video I will be covering up on that topic for you. So we're discussing about what is Octafx copy trading, how to copy my trade on Octafx. If you want to copy my trade on Octafx copy trading, this video is for you. So you have to pay attention to learn it, and how to deposit and withdraw money, super easy. So now this is the platform. So once you get to the platform, so you see Octafx copy trading here. So you have to click on the copy trading. Firstly, copying on Octafx trading is just like you sitting out there looking for someone who can do something. You get someone a little money for someone to do something for you. That's the theory about Octafx copy trading. So now Octafx are platforms where an expert traders are trading. When they are trading for you, then you decide to copy any of them for them to make money for you, so super easy. You don't have to have the experience about trading. No, you don't need an experience on it. So all you just need for you to get your account registered on Octafx, deposit, then you copy them. So at every time at your own convenience you want to withdraw money, so you can easily withdraw your money. So all you be doing on Octafx is withdraw and deposit. So you don't need any experience on trading. No, you don't need all that. No, all what you need to know is what I'm going to show you here for you to be able to copy, withdraw and deposit. Super easy. Then you sit out here, make your profit and enjoy your money. So let us get started. So now you want to copy trading, so this is a copy area for you. So we wait for you to wait. So this is a copy trade for you. So before you want to copy on Octafx, you have to have an account. So I've told you how to get your account on Octafx. So you put in the login and everything here. So and log in. So this is my account. This is my account I had with Octafx. So you move down to this part, which is say copy trading. You click on copy trading. Wait for it to roll. You click on copy trading. So wait for it patiently. So this is it. So this is the platform. So everything is here. So what you have to do here is you store everything here. So this copy trading is super different from the other one. So this is a wallet balance. You have to credit your wallet balance by clicking here to deposit or deposit. You have to click deposit on the other side. So any one of them. So you came to bring to this page. So you choose your Naira. If you want to use Bitcoin or any other payment method, you are free to use them, but I recommend you to use Nigeria deposit, which is very safe. Very safe. So I've done a video about depositing. So that's the same thing goes to this place. Choose account to deposit, then you choose the amount you want to deposit, then you deposit your account on them. So now let me show you for withdrawing. So if you want to withdraw, so this is super easy. You choose the account you want to withdraw. So I have some account I've already I repeated withdrawing on Octafx. So you put in the account, you click the bank, you put in the account, any of the account you want to withdraw money, you put in the amount you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw 20, put it, then you withdraw your money. First and foremost, Octafx provides you with Octafx pin, which is every time you'll be using it to withdraw your money. Put it in here, you press request. 30 minutes to 1 hour, Octafx will credit you. You enjoy your money. So let us go back to copy trade investment. So for you to copy me on Octafx copy trading, so you have some space. You search button, you say nickname for the person you want to copy, the master you want to copy. So if you want to copy me for me to trade for you, then you make your money. You write in Oruwa B, just Oruwa B like this. So it will show up here. So if you show up here, you click me. So Once you click there, so it will move you to the part you start copying immediately. So if you have the revenue, the minimum deposit, soon I will reduce it to 120 so that you can be able to copy with the little money you have. So you start copying, so you start copying me, so I start making your money, right? You start making your money, then eat everything. So super easy. Once you click start copying me, that's everything I need to know about copy trading. Very simple, fast to use, and they are reliable and very fast, very fast. So that's everything you need to know about copy trading on Octafx. So peace out.